Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this particular video I'm going to show you a lens hood by JJC, which is one of the cheapest lens hood which you can find it for the Canon RF 50mm mount. So without further ado, let's get started. This is the LH-ES-65B lens hood by JJC, and it is available for the full frame mirrorless camera by Canon. And I have purchased this for the 50mm 1.8 this particular lens, and this have a 43 diameter. Again guys, this is very cheap. I just got this on Amazon for about 1700, and it is readily imported from China, because the original lens hood which is provided by Canon is more than 3200, and I do not recommend anybody to get it. Also, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and press that bell icon to get future updates. Also, the quality of this particular lens hood is great. It is really feeling very sturdy in my hands, and got this particular lock, with the help of which you can lock it or latch it to your camera lens. And again guys, this is available only for the mirrorless cameras by Canon, and I have the EOS R over here, and only the R series camera, the EOS R series camera, is going to have this particular RF lens. So do not buy this if you have the EFS lens. It is not going to be useful for you. And this is how it latches. So once you align this particular top notch, and then you need to rotate it, and it just clicks in place, and it have a nice satisfying clicky sound. And this is one of the best hoods, I would say, for this, and it will going to protect your lens from getting accidental damage, etc., and also going to protect the inside lens. So highly recommended. And it is also going to block the external rays which is there hitting directly from the lens, etc. And I wouldn't recommend anybody to go with the original lens hood by Canon for the RF 50mm 1.8. definitely it is worth getting this. And as you can see, I'm rotating this particular dial over here, the ring, and I'm having no issues guys. Again, this is not getting in the way, etc. And I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, because there is always something new to learn on Creative Soft. Also, do check out all these awesome videos which we have it on our channel. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular hood. And again guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.